Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dear brothers and sisters. Today we're gonna make steak. So we're gonna make filet steak,
Filet, yeah.
as you can see, and we
This is
got
Cajun.
Cajun ribeye, and it's been in our fridge. And
Put Cajun and oil.
so we got Cajun ribeye, and we put oil on it for 1 day.
Oil and Cajun.
We put oil and Cajun for
Marinate for 1 day.
and we marinate it for 1 day.
This is Cajun.
And we got Cajun seasoning,
And oil.
and we got
Already.
oil.
Ekta ekta kori pon.
Okay, so now we're gonna put it. Got it.
Okay.
Hey, it's so oily.
So oil.
Okay, so now we're gonna put the steak in on the pan, and we're gonna cook it in both sides. Then we're gonna put it in that pan, and then we're gonna put it in the oven since we don't have a grill. And and my dad used to work at Morton, the steak house.
Seasoning salt. Morton seasoning
So
salt.
now we're putting Morton sizzling salt. And put some. Is it okay if I lick it?
Lick it, okay. How is taste?
Assad. It tastes like assad.
Salt.
No, it's like a... Oven preheat for Oven preheat for...
So now we're gonna
Open.
no. So now we're gonna do the oven preheat. Sizzle.
So hold, you know.
So,
Testing, you know.
so now we're gonna put it on the pan. We're gonna put the steak ribeye on the pan. There, that's good. No, I don't want to touch it. I do not touch that. Hey. There. So now we're gonna put the filet steak for me. Yeah. So as you can see, the filet is getting cooked. So now we put the filet on the pan. So now we're gonna put it in the oven. Now
30 minutes.
now we're gonna wait for it for 30 minutes. So now the steak is done. So now we're gonna check it out. So as you can see how
Still medium rare.
it's still medium rare. So we need a well done cook.
And this slice easy for us.
Yeah, and we're gonna do slice so it's easy.
Slice was good.
No. Cut it? I wanna do mine. Yeah. Soy sauce. Wait, A1 is soy sauce, right? I wanna cut mine. That's fine, right there.
Kind of hot.
It's a heart. Look like a chicken heart. No, a cow heart. It looks like a regular heart. I know it's the heart like thing. Is that mine right there?
Get that on that.
Okay.
Okay.
Carbon cutting.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna cut this. So now we're gonna put some sauce,
Cajun.
a little bit of Cajun.
Leftover.
We're gonna put leftover Cajun. Cajun. I wanna put my A1. I know that has fingers. So now we're gonna put the chicken in the
Chicken.
steak in the oven
For how long?
for
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
For 10 minutes.
So we did it for 20 minutes. Now we're gonna do it for 10 minutes.
30 minutes.
Oh, well, we did it for 30 minutes, so it's medium cook. And now we're gonna do it for 10 minutes, so it can be well done. Now it's been 10 minutes, so now we're gonna take out the steak.
Oh, almost ready. Wow. What is it that I have got the bar chef has training this zone chef?
Now we're gonna put it on plates. Looks like lava cake.
Okay. Umaratal.
Abin yapalım.
Umaratal.
Table niye yapalım?
Oh my decoration আছে অল্প কালার বাসিব
No.
good এত ট্রাই করতে
This.
Kira খাইয়া নিতে তো।
অরেঞ্জ খাও এটা দেখে পর বেলা খাইবে Steak এখন খাই তুমি কি রাঁধিবা
ಇದು ಮಟನ್
This is your.
দেখাই
Mine.
তুমি দেখাও খাইয়া জলা শেফে খায় না ইউটিউবে দেখতে একটা সু শেফ কি থাকে ইয়ে একটু খাইয়া বাদে কমেন্ট দিবা সাইটটা দেখি মানুষ কই যায়
Foundation লাগবে তো ভালো। ওই ইয়া। তো
কালার তো সুন্দর লাগে
Oh no.
কিটা
Peppers.
পেপারস তো গুড খাইতে আমি
Mm-mm.
কোনটা খাইয়া? ওটা একটা খাও, ওটা একটা খাইয়া দেখলে টেস্ট হয়।
টেস্ট করো ভিডিও করো
Hey.
আমার তারে করতে হয় না। Piece, oh piece. Wow. Tira di all di খাইতে নাই।
A1.
A1.
ওই নই
বইয়া খাইয়া বেটাগুলো
সস্তে ভালো
কত স্টার
বিসমিল্লাহ ইয়া
La.
পয়লা খেয়ে খাইতে নিলাম
It's so delicious and juicy. It's so huge. Okay, well,
Cajun.
so chewy. Sauce and hot sauce. If anyone wants to try it out. And now I'm gonna end the video. So like, comment, subscribe with all post notifications, and assalamu alaikum.
Nice. Ne tage ditle.
Hmm.